Hi, it's Mark with At My Home, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Belkin Surge Protector. This one's really cool. This has got 12 outlets, and they're rotating, which is really cool. We actually have the other one of these, which does not have 12 outlets. It has less, and we ran out of places to plug in, so we picked this thing here up, and it's really nice. All right, so here it is. They got a little cover here because they have a place here for in and out if you happen to have cable. We are not going to use that for where we're going to put it. And they have a little spot in the bottom for kind of cable management. So that's kind of nice in the unit here. But you see it's got a button here to turn it on and off, which is real handy if you need to do that. And then these outlets rotate. So if you've got some sort of plug-in device, you want to make them all fit like those power adapters, which are always a pain. You can move these things so that they fit, and which I think is the best part of it. And so it's got the 4 on this side, 4 on the other side, and then it's got 4 more in the middle, and a big long power cord. I think I said 8 feet. Let's see. Surge Protector, 8-foot long cord. So this is really kind of nice. And the other thing it does is it has a spot in the back where you can put a screw in the wall and then hang this on the wall. Actually, there's 2 of them, which is really kind of nice. And let's see, did they give it to us? No, so you have to have your own screws from the looks of things. But that's it. That's the Belkin 12-socket extension cord, or I guess, so what is it called? A surge protector. So with rotating outlets. Thank you for watching.